In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. My topic is about how to write a good essay, a best one, an effective one. A good introduction paragraph is an essential part of any academic essay. It sets up your argument and tell the reader what to expect. The main goals of an introduction are to catch your reader attention, give background on your topic, present your thesis, the central point of your essay. This introduction example is taken from our interactive essay example on the history of Braille. Here we have steps to write a good essay. The first step, hook your reader. It means avoid long, dense sentences. Start with something clear, concise, and catchy that will spark your reader's curiosity. The first sentence is a dry fact. The second sentence is more interesting, making a bold claim about exactly why the topic is important, and must avoid definitions, especially if it's an obvious term that everyone knows. The second step is to give background information, historical, geographical, or social context. It means also definitions of key terms. Means what is your plagiarism score? Compare your paper with over 60 billion web pages and 30 million publications, maybe. The third step, present your thesis statement. Now it's time to narrow your focus and show exactly what you want to say about the topic. This is your thesis statement, a sentence or two that sums up your overall argument. This is the most important part of your introduction. Step 4. Check and revise. When you have finished writing the essay body and conclusion, you should return to the introduction and check that it matches the content of the essay. Now we move to an important theme, the format of the essay. Introduction, body, conclusion. Firstly, as we said, the introduction. Here we must explain how the essay will be organized, order of points, give a general idea of our subject, then the body containing paragraphs, a number of paragraphs. And here we must present a topic sentence or central idea supporting your thesis statement. Give evidence, examples, references which support or relate to your topic, and provide a concluding linking sentence. Now the last thing is the conclusion. Summarizes the point and evidence you provided to support your thesis and may suggest areas for further research. Now we talk about the style of an essay, an academic essay. We must use standard English, avoiding American or something else. Write in the third person, avoid gender, avoid emotive language. Be direct, use the active rather than the passive voice. What we mean by academic essay? For our purposes, we can define an academic essay as a document that has a defined structure, an introduction, a body, and a conclusion. The main types of an academic essay are, we have three: descriptive, expository, argumentative. The first, it means describes a subject, example, a person, place, or an event. The second explains a concept or a theory, maybe. The third presents an argument through reasoning and the use of evidence. I hope that my topic is pleasant to you. Thank you, sir.